Hi, in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can save time with your day-to-day scheduling activities when you use Fraction ERP. To show you, let me first clear the scheduling board. I have the option to manually select which works orders get loaded first onto the scheduler. I could then drag and drop the operations to suit my plans. And then we have the option to pin the works orders to prevent Fraction from trying to move them around when we use the auto schedule function. You can pin individual operations also, say if you are scheduling a bottleneck in your factory. So, when I press the auto schedule, Fraction puts the rest of the operations onto the scheduling board's timeline. This can be repeated whenever you want and will push all of your operations into the current time frame. Any overdue operations will be rescheduled so you don't have to do it yourself. Finally, if you don't want to allow Fraction to change the sequence, you can then switch on auto shunting. This looks for any overdue operation and then shunts the queue forward until the remaining operations aren't in a backlog situation. These are just a few of the functions we have in Fraction ERP that can save you time running your factory. Less time administrating, more time growing. Thanks for watching.